Hello and welcome to this session brought to you by the Academy of Practical Accounts in conjunction with your institution. In this session, we look at the cash register. Now, this is a facility in the app that enables us to see the cash that has come in and gone out of the business on a daily basis. Apparently, this is a copy of the cash account. And the only difference is that it displays transactions on a day-by-day basis. Now we're going to record these two documents to help illustrate the cash register. So let's get on to our device, and this is a cash sale. We're going to use the all income form. Okay, and okay, let's rotate our device. Rotate our device. Okay, now the date is the 31st of March. Okay, click that and then set. The date has changed. Now we got the cash account pre-selected, nothing to be done there. What we need to enter is the amount 35 of the sales. Okay, now the document number is 15. If it wasn't okay, now this form generates the document number, and we should imagine that there is no number on this document as yet. So we copy the number from the document, the number from the form to the document and match them. When it comes to accountability or supporting, then this transaction is supported by that source document number 15. And it looks like we are ready to save. Okay, save, click save, yeah, save and next. That is done. Now the next document to record is 16. This number 16 is for a cash sales refund. Now what was sold here was brought back and the customer was given a refund. Now we use the same form, and the only difference is that now the amounts should be flipped. What was a positive becomes a negative, and what was a negative becomes a positive. The date is still the 31st of March. Okay, click set that one. Click that and set. So we're done with the date. Now, instead of swapping these around, we're putting a negative amount there, negative 35. And okay, that means the cash account is going to be credited because it's paying back that money. And then the income account is going to be debited. Now, okay, we can modify this and say this is an income refund. An income refund. And the document number seems to be okay. So we copy the document number from there onto there to match the two. And we are ready to save. So we save and close. Now we are proceeding. Actually, we're not going to look at the double entry. We don't need to. Our interest at the moment is the cash register. Now that one is in module 2 miscellaneous. Double click that or click the device. Now month 1, there are no transactions. Remember, this demo recording is mainly done in month 12. Okay, we also have opening balances, and we shall be having 1 year end adjustment. Which year end adjustment? And that is month 13. Okay, let's scroll up. So we're going to month 12. Now we need to rotate our device now to be able to see more on this. Oh God. Okay, all right. Now this is our account. Okay, let's close it quickly and reopen it. Our cash register, it was disorganized. We go back to month 12. Month 12, and we pinch. So we said this is the cash account. Okay, account 212, and it's month 12. And the only difference here is that it displays transactions on a daily basis and it generates a balance. Let's drag this here. Now we found this to be quite helpful to small businesses, So what happens is, okay, at the moment we ignore the opening balance, but looking at the money received and the money paid out. Okay, now on the 30th we received 33, we received 60, we received 40. All right, and we paid out 120, 39.20, 40.75, and 15.180. And the balance on that date was 105. Now, on the 31st, we sold goods for 35, but because they were returned, we paid out a refund of 35, and that leaves us with a balance of 105. And apparently, this balance is cumulative. Okay, so that's it about this cash register. And somehow you should count the money in the till against the balance on this account. What we probably don't have is the opening balance from the previous month. But as for that month, we look at transactions from the very first day up to the very last day. And like we said, it's a copy of the cash account, and the only difference is that these transactions are displayed on a day-by-day basis. Well, that brings us to the end of this one, and I think this is 22. It's not 21. That's 22. That brings us to the end of session 22. In case of any questions, please send us an email at admin@practicalaccounts or find us on Skype, Accounts Coaching. Thank you.